Great day, guys, and welcome back to new video. And there is a new recruitment notification for the bank job seekers who are looking for the bank jobs for the India level wide. So there is one new bank recruitment called Send Bank Home Financial Limited. They released around of 30 vacancies for the senior officer, junior manager, and assistant manager, and the manager level posts. So the application was started already, and the closing date is the 23rd October 2020. The complete application form mode is the online mode that you can register yourself through the online. So I'll drop out the links in the below description, as well as I'll drop out the recruitment notification as well in the below description. Coming to the job location, it has so many branches in every state, so you will get placed in as per the location that you are preferring after getting into selecting today. So we'll just dig into some eligibility criteria, that what are they expecting for this recruitment. So when coming to the vacancies, you can see there is an officer for 10 vacancies, and senior officer there is 11, and junior manager they're given as 3, for assistant manager for 3, and manager for 3. So totally 30 vacancies are offered for the bank employees that who are willing to this. Coming to the education, their minimum expecting as a graduation, like you it may be degree or a btech or any other stream. The minimum expectation is the graduation thing, that candidate should be matched to the eligibility criteria to apply for this recruitment. So coming to the age limit, as per the post, you can see they're expecting minimum 25 and the max is 35 years. In between the 25 to 35 years, people only have to apply for this recruitment. So the age limit is the very mandatory. If you are below 22 or above 35, the application won't be accepted. So please make sure you be in this, check the eligibility, and clearly check out the notification once before going to apply for this. And you can also check out the salary packages for the each post. For the officer, they're offering 3 lakhs per annum. For junior officer, for it is 4 lakhs per annum. So it is incrementing like 25 50k. If you're coming to the manager, it's around of 6 lakhs 30,000 something around per annum. You can check it out there. If you dig into the notification, you'll get the whole clarity. I'll drop out the link in the below description. Just go and check out there, and make sure the application fees will be as per the category wise, because it is India level, right? For the general peoples, they have to pay 1,000 rupees for each head. So coming to the other castes like CST and OBC, they need to pay 300 rupees per head. So you can check out the how to apply application in the notification itself. They have given very clearly. So we just requesting to the people who are interested to get a bank job in India level, so who have the graduation in a disciplined manner in any state level or central level education side, they can go with this recruitment and check out the process, how to apply, how to check out these all things in the there is available in the below description notification. So the deadline is the 23rd October 2020. So keep it note as a mandatory, and utilize this chance, grab this job opportunity. We wish you all the best of luck. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.